Hey guys, Owen here from Maclin Ford, here to show you this ruby red metallic tinted clear coat 2016 Ford Explorer. It is very well maintained. It is a local Alberta vehicle with absolutely zero accidents. It comes packaged in the sport trim with a 400A equipment group and is powered by a 3.5 liter EcoBoost V6 engine. It has a lot of cool features. It has leather seats for the front driver and passenger. It has a power panoramic sunroof, navigation, Bluetooth. It has a power tailgate, remote start, reverse camera, and it comes with adaptive cruise control. It also comes with heat control for the rear seats and second and third row, which the second row can be folded down and the third row can be folded down for even more storage. Thank you very much for watching this video. Come on down to Maclin Ford to see more about this Explorer.